And part of the reason I wanted to do this instead of working on the shark and deer painting is because since I'm worried about the shark and deer painting, I'm liking it, but there's still a lot left to do on it. So it's a little bit, it has a little bit of anxiety attached to it in the way that I'm like, I'm going to mess it up, right? So this way I can just kind of turn my brain off and just paint the egg. I'm going to do a little bit right here and a bit more in this area. And I'm gonna lift a little teeny bit over here. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend things. And then I'll come back to adding color anywhere it's necessary. A nice eggy blend. Eggs in the blender. It's what all the cool people want for breakfast. That or just eating a raw egg. Very bodybuilder kind of vibes. What time is it? Okay. We still have 50 minutes. This area is slightly off because of the spot that wasn't supposed to be the egg yolk and just kind of bled into that area. So I'm just gonna pick that up so it doesn't throw me off for the edges. Okay,